You need to create a cash flow budget within your company. Now, 95% of contractors across the country don't put together that cash flow budget for a whole bunch of different reasons. I don't want to. I don't know how. I don't have enough time. It's going to be too restricting. All those excuses. But you have to put it together. The cash flow budget is merely a tool to help you diagnose problems within your company as they're happening. Now, again, one of the main reasons that we hear all the time for not putting it together is, I don't know what's going to happen this coming year. Well, odds are there were some months that you lost money last year. If you lost money in January, February, March last year, and you lost money in January, February, March the year before that, and you lost money in January, February, March the year before that, what are the odds you're going to lose money in January, February, March this year? It's pretty good. What's your track record from the last several years? Use that as a guideline for moving forward and planning next year.